Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where remote desktop services causes high CPU usage when using the Magnifier app, then please watch this video. Now one may say the simple solution is not to use the Magnifier app while using remote desktop services. Well, that's not the best answer. Here's one more thing that you can try. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and then there is an option called smooth edges of screen fonts. Uncheck it, click on apply and then on OK, and this will fix the problem for most of the users, though the appearance may be slightly different, but it's okay. At least it's okay for me. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.